Want to replace your oven's fan? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new fan. Step 1. Remove the casing from the oven. Remove the casing to access the fan. In this case, only the top panel needs to be taken off. This can be done by unscrewing it. Step 2. Disconnect the old fan. First, disconnect the wiring from the old fan motor. If necessary, take a photo so you can see how to reconnect the wiring. Then unscrew the screws and take the fan out. On this model, the impeller and motor are attached to each other. They may be detachable in your oven, and you may only need to replace either the motor or impeller. Step 3. Install the new fan. If you separated the motor and impeller in Step 2, first reattach them to each other. Then install the new fan where the old fan was. Finally, reconnect the wiring correctly. Step 4. Replace the casing. Place the top panel back on the oven and retighten the screws. You have replaced the fan and the oven is ready to use again.